So now that I'm actually able to see this a little bit better, I think I have an unmolested Cobra 29 here for, you know, under 30 bucks. So yeah, where are we here? D11. There it is. Not clipped. So now the only question I had, and I'm actually not sure if you can actually see that down in there. Let me see if I can get a flashlight. I don't know what belonged in there. That BTM. There we go. BTMIC. Is that Bluetooth? I'm not sure. I don't know if the board layout I have is old. I mean, it's older, so I don't know if that's. I mean, I don't know. Maybe that's Bluetooth. I don't know. Anybody know what that is? It's got me stumped. But yeah, other than this, the light, the meter works, and this microphone that I don't know. I don't know if it needs to be rewired or whatnot. I think it just needs to be rewired. But other than that, this is a pretty solid unit. I'll get it up on the audio. Man, that's pretty clean. Audio. Like 18 PEP, but yeah, I mean, even there's like no harmonics other than, you know, obviously at the 54. Try to do this. But there is like nothing. So, I mean, yeah, I mean, it seems to be in really good working order. So I'm content with my my eBay purchase. So yeah, I just wanted to do a little follow up because the lighting was a little weird and I couldn't really, you know, I just wanted to really go through it with a fine-tooth comb and make sure that, you know, nothing was clipped or whatever, and I can't see anything. And it doesn't even have a ton of that glue. I mean, a couple of spots here and there, but it seems like it's a unmolested Cobra 29 LTD Classic that just needs a good cleaning up and, you know, alignment. There you have it. Thanks for watching.